How to buy Tung 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 Sahur token. So this token came under the symbol of TripleT. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do not message. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. See please goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going out by this token, make sure to check their community on X. They have big community there, as you can see. Now, this token is it's available on the screener. It's created 7 days ago, and it increased by 53% in the last 24 hours. The market cap of this token, as you can see, $2 million. Now, this token created under the Solana network. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address. I'm not putting fast money for that. After that, click here on swap. Now, make sure to select the Solana swap. Now, click here and paste the token address into swap bar. So, as you can see, this is our token. Now, click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, scroll down, and you will be able to find it as well. Click on it. After that, they will be able to redirect you to OKX Jupyter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy TripleT token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.